Hello, good morning, all the students. Welcome back. The online platform, Scottish Public School at Raghunathpur, Barsai. In our last class, actually we were discussing about the degrees of the polynomial. Degrees of the polynomial. So basically the subject is mathematics from class 9th. Degrees of polynomial. That means actually we discussed linear, that means power 1. The variable, if the variable containing 1 power 1 is the variable containing power 1, that means degree of the polynomial is 1. If the variable is containing power 2, that means degree 2. 3 to 3, 4 and 4. So that means maximum power of the variables. Maximum power of the variables is the degree of the polynomial. Is the degree of the polynomial. So basically today we will discuss about the number of terms in a polynomial. Suppose that a polynomial contain 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms, 4 terms. So what are the basic names of the polynomial? So we will continue with this topic. The first one is that monomial. First one is that monomial. Monomial. First one is that monomial. That means a polynomial expression contains single terms. A polynomial expression contains, that means single term. That means mono. Mono का मतलब होता है कि that means one. Mono, that means one. Suppose that example. Look at the example. Suppose that f of x is a polynomial. So that means x square. Simple. So this is a single term. This is the single term. Single term. So that means this is the example of monomial. This is the example of monomial. So maybe minus 9 is maybe minus 9, maybe minus 14, 6x, anything. That means 6x, minus 9x cube, etc. So these are the examples of monomial. The monomial, that means a polynomial containing one term. A polynomial containing one term is called monomial. A polynomial containing one term is called monomial. Second is that binomial. Second one is that binomial. Binomial. Second one is that binomial. तो bio मतलब होता है what? 2. So that means binomial, that means 2. So a polynomial expression contain two terms. A polynomial expression contain two terms is called binomial. So suppose that f of x is the x polynomial. This will be equals to what? X square equal to what? Minus 4 maybe, x minus 5 maybe, x cube minus x square maybe, etc. These are the examples of binomial. So binomial, that means a polynomial contains two terms. A polynomial contains two terms. It's called binomial. Third one is that trinomial. Trinomial. Third one is that tri. That means 3. THREE. 3. That means a polynomial containing 3 terms. A polynomial containing 3 terms. This is called trinomial. So that means let f of x is the polynomial expression denoted by f of x and x square minus 2x plus 1 maybe. Another example. X cube plus 2x minus 5 maybe. X square plus 2x plus 1 maybe. So these etc. So these are the example of trinomial. The trinomial, that means a polynomial expression containing 3 terms. A polynomial expression, a polynomial containing 3 terms. Containing 3 terms is called trinomial. It's called trinomial. It's called trinomial. Next, actually So now we have proper idea. That means we have proper idea about the polynomials. What is degree? How we can find the degree of the polynomial? How we can find the coefficient of the polynomial? How we can decide degree and how we can recognize the polynomials. So this is the basic information about the polynomial. Actually we have proper information about the polynomial, how we can, what are the condition if a polynomial expression if suppose that x is a polynomial expression, so what are the basic conditions. That means actually we have proper idea about the polynomial expressions. So now now we will solve some examples. Now we will solve some examples. So example number is that write the coefficient of x square. Suppose that f of x equals to what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Nahin, this is the standard form of the quadratic polynomial, and f of x equals to what? Ax plus b. This is the standard form of the linear polynomial, and f of x equals to what? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the standard form of cubic polynomials, and f of x equals to what? Ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is the standard form of the biquadratic polynomial. So suppose that if the question is that coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square of x equals to what? So that means as a constant term, So that means a. So a is the coefficient. A is the coefficient of x square. So we will write a is the coefficient of x square. So suppose that x square plus 2x plus 1, f of x equals to what? X square plus 2x plus 1. In that case, what is the coefficient of x square? That means अगर यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, that means 1. So 1 is the answer. Second case, x square का coefficient is the 1. Coefficient of x square is 1 is the answer. Suppose that the question is that what is the coefficient of x? So coefficient of x for this questions, coefficient of x equal to what? Coefficient of x equal to what? The coefficient of x, that means a is the constant term, coefficient of x. So suppose that f of x equal to what? F of x equal to 2x plus 5. So coefficient of x equal to what? Constant term. That means equals to what? 2. Equals to what? 2. अब suppose that in second equation, suppose that 2x plus 5. If question is that what is the coefficient of x square? So that means x square तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, तो obviously what? 0. So 0 is the coefficient of x square. Suppose that what is the coefficient of x cube? So a is the coefficient of x cube. What is the coefficient of x square in this expression? So b is the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x? So c is the coefficient of x, and what is the constant term? That means d is the constant term of the given polynomial expression. So after using this concept, that means we can decide what is the coefficient of x actually, what is the coefficient of x square, and what is the coefficient of x cube. Suppose that f of x equals to what? F of x equal to minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Suppose that this is the polynomial expression. If the question is that what is the coefficient of x square? So coefficient of x square, so that means minus 1 x square plus 2x plus 1. We can write this expression like that. So simply what is the coefficient of x square? Now we have what? The constant term 1. So that means minus 1 is the coefficient. Coefficient of x square. That means minus 1 is the coefficient of x square. Minus 1 is the coefficient of x square for this expression. So we will use this concept for solving the question. This is the question. Question is that determine the degree of the polynomial. Determine degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Determine degree of the polynomial. So how we can decide what is the degree of this polynomial expression? Wait. So first of all we will solve these questions. That means y cube 1 minus y square. So we will multiply both terms. So that means y cube 1 minus y cube into y square. So now we have y cube minus y to power 3 minus, so base are equal, power should be 8 is 3 plus 2, y to power 5. The highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is what? 5. So 5 is the degree of this given expression. So 5, that means 5 is the degree. Degree equals to what? Degree equals to what? Is 5. So 5 is the right answer. Another questions. Question 2 4x minus 5x square plus 6x cube by 2x. Determine degree of the polynomial. Determine degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Determine degree of the polynomial. So first of all, how we can decide? Look at this. Keep 4x minus 3, so 5x square minus, plus 6x cube by 2x. So 2x as a denominator. So that means we can write keep 4x by 2x minus 5x square by 2x plus 6x cube by 2x. Obviously, that means x will be cancelled, 2 1 2, 2 2 4. That means x will be cancelled and 2 1 2 3 and x will be cancelled. So now we have what? 3x square minus 5 by 2x plus 2. Then now the new expression is that 3x square minus 5 by 2 into x plus 2. So what is the degree of this polynomial? So now the degree of the polynomial is 2. Why? The maximum power of the variable is 2. So obviously degree equals to what? Degree equals to 2 is the answer. So first of all we will solve these questions and after that we will decide what is the degree of the given polynomial. Your homework. So I think you will understand all those basic points. If you have any doubt, if you suffering with any confusion related to this topic, you can ask me anywhere, and that means every time on your WhatsApp group. You can text me, sir, second step is not clear. Sir, first step is not clear. I will explain each and every step again and again. So please solve the questions and watch the video carefully, and please listen my voice carefully and focus on the method. So your homework is that that means 16/07/2021. Your homework is that EX2A RS Agarwal. Question number 6, question number 5, question number 4 and Question number 2. Question number 2. You have to solve all the questions. This is your homework. So please solve the questions and send it on your WhatsApp group. I hope you will understand all the mathematical calculation and related topics. And thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.